Welcome back, guys. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. If you can hear me, please let me know that. Okay. So today is Nvidia earning, so I believe that it's not a good day for trading. That's why I have tweeted that please don't trade today. Instead of trading, just trade the price action. Or if you want to trade, you can do the paper trade, but don't involve your real money today because last time the Nvidia one it was disaster. So that is the reason for telling that if it is possible not to trade today. By the way, at the same time, if you want to see the forex calendar, there is no news, red folder news around the morning session. So we have FOMC around 2 p.m. So the best idea is not to trade. Today's morning session, don't trade. Even the afternoon session is also very risky to trade. Best option is not to trade. That's all. By the way, here is my dollar index chart and it is now working with this parabolic gap, daily parabolic gap. You can see this is the daily parabolic gap, this candle low and that candle high. The okay, by the way, guys, can you hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. Manu, thank you. Jack T, thanks for the penguin, man. I like the increased production value of the stream. What is that? FX beast. Okay, penguin, thank you. Good morning, good evening, Sizo. Today YouTube having issues with live views and stuffs. uh, I don't know, can be, but whatever. I still, some of you will be here, so not a good day. So I believe we will see how we can manage this thing. Okay, so here is the dollar index, and right now it is trading this daily bearish parabolic gap. At the same time, this candle is the order block over here. I would love to mark the low of that order block. If it wants to go higher, little bit higher, it can go until that order block level. Okay, then it can fall, but overall I'm bearish for dollar index. So you can see this is all the bull candle. One, two, three, four bull candle. Still I'm bearish. Okay, I just can't go for the bull for dollar index. So here i'm I'm bullish for Nasdaq, and I would love to see that market will go higher and it will take the buy side liquidity. By the way, it has taken the all-time high. You can see to yesterday Tuesday it has taken the all-time high over here and made another relatively equal highs over here. This is the shallow run, which is also the relatively equal highs. That is my first target, and then I believe that it will go and take the all-time high. Overall my target is over here. This is my target for this week. I believe that market will go over here and it will take that buy side liquidity this week. Okay, so that is my last target for Nasdaq. We don't have anything to do before 9:30. Even if it goes and take this all-time high, I have nothing to do until 9:30. Okay. Today YouTube having issues with live views and stuff. Okay, Hardik Thankar, hey brother, how are you? I saw it happened on one of the trader and he mentioned it. Okay, but can you hear me or see the chart? Can you see the chart clearly? Let me know that. If you can see the chart clearly, I'm happy with that. If there is only 10 to 20 people, I'll be happy to keep continue this thing, and it will be easier for me as well, because new people is really difficult to tackle. Okay, so just let me know that if the video and the audio is clear. I mean, if you can hear me correctly, then I'll be happy. Okay, so that's all for the beginning. And here on my left, this is the how to say, 15-minute chart for Nasdaq. And if you watch over here, I have this relatively equal lows, which is actually the sell side liquidity around that area. See this low and that low. They are absolutely clean lows over here. This low and that low, clean lows. Here I have some relatively equal lows as well. So right now market just came here to this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Take the most obvious liquidity. Now if it wants to go lower, if I want to be bearish, then I have to wait to see that market has closed below this fair value gap. If it can close below this fair value gap, yeah, I will start to look for sell until this sells a liquidity. So at the beginning I'm just trying to explain my expectation so that later it's not going to be a difficult situation to under. I mean, here I'm not interested to take sell. Right now you can see this low is valid for shifting market structure. So over here, this is the market structure shift, a perfect market structure shift. After taking the buy side liquidity, perfect market structure shift. Still I have the fair value gap over here. Maybe it will make another fair value gap over here. Now here is the part of the rules. No entry is valid before 9:30. So I don't care how beautiful the setup will be here. I don't really care about that. All I care is the time. If the time is before 9:30, I'm not gonna push my button around that area. How beautiful the setup is, I don't care. Okay, try to understand the fact. Looking like market has taken the buy side liquidity, it is now going for that sell side liquidity. Seems like that. Okay. At the same time, dollar index can go higher until this order block. See this order block from daily chart? It can reach until this order block over there. So it can be bullish. Let me go to hourly chart. So over here, if you see from the hourly chart, it has taken this relatively equal high. So I'm going to remove that one. That line is the daily order block. So market can trade this bullish fair value gap, or it can go little lower until this breaker block. After trading this breaker block, it can reach for that daily order block. So if it will go over there, this is a bullish run for dollar index. There can be a bearish run until this sell side liquidity for Nasdaq. I am just not interested to push my button around here. The reason is it's before 9:30. If it was after 9:30, I started to look for a sell over here. You can see there is a fair value gap here, a very nice fair value gap. Okay, and here I have the breakaway gap. Around that area, I have this breakaway gap. Okay, this is the breakaway gap. Okay, but I am just not interested to push my button. If it was after 9:30, I would push my. I'm already in the market. I'm already in the market, but here I'm not interested. This is the part where psychology works most of the time, because I have seen in my life that before 9:30 a perfect setup doesn't work. Okay, a perfect setup also doesn't work. So I am not interested to take that risk. Instead of that, I will wait for 9:30 and I will see what is going to happen. Here I have this sell side liquidity. So if market can close below this fair value gap, I will have still some room to take an entry. So if you see from here to here, near about 28 handle, maybe I will be able to take at least 20 handle from there, because this is the cleanest sell side liquidity. Below this sell side liquidity, I have some relatively equal lows over here as well. So yeah, that is the reason for taking the sell. But here I'm not interested to push my button around that area. If even if it works, I don't care. This is what the professional trader do. I'm not a professional trader, but still I believe that if you don't follow your own rules, and if you just go, I mean, if you just fly with the price action or with the price, sometimes it will hurt you. You know, the injury you can't just bear that. So it's a huge injury. So that's why I will just wait and I will see if it can close below this BPR area or this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I will start to look for a sell until this sells a liquidity. I guess everything is clean beforehand. I mean, before the stream, I have already cleaned everything. So please don't tell me this is a buy time, this is a sell time, because I have already told you what I am looking for. I'm bullish for Nasdaq until this all-time high. or relatively equal highs, I'm bullish. Okay, if market close below this parabolic gap from 15-minute chart, I'll be bearish until this sell side liquidity. Today's Nvidia earning around 5 p.m. I guess. I didn't check, but my brother Jack T he told me that we have Nvidia earning after the bell. So after the closing bell. So if it, I mean, as it is Nvidia earning today, I believe that market price action will be disaster today, and that's why hold your trade for today. Please don't trade today. If it is a very nice setup, still don't push your button today. Please, that's a request. Okay. Then you will also understand that your mind is your master, or you are the master of your mind. Try to understand that first. So yeah, that's all for the beginning. And if you want to trade paper money, it's okay, absolutely okay. But don't push your real money. That's my request. Okay. Look over here. This sell side liquidity, very clean sell side liquidity, very clean buy side liquidity, and this is all-time high. So market can go either way. This parabolic gap will define where market is going. If it break, I mean market can break this BPR like with this type of candle. See this candle. If it can break this parabolic gap by this type of candle, I will go for the sell. If it fail to do that, I'm bullish until market is above this BPR area. I'm bullish. So I hope it's clean to all of you. If you have any question, you can ask me before 9:30 because I don't have anything to do until 9:30. Okay. Uh, okay, I saw it happened. Okay, Victor Salis. Victor, thanks for that ping hand, brother. Artik, thank you, brother. Thanks for confirming that it's clear. I mentioned not with live data and voice, but the views you see less. Yeah, I can see it's 53 people are watching now. I thought that it's my channel's problem, as I have changed my name, channel's name, and I'm just using some unrecognized logo or thumbnail. That's why I'm getting less view. I thought like that way. But if it is a YouTube issues, then I'm happy because these issues will be gone then. But still, I can see 54 people huge. Okay, for me it's huge. I can see that 54 people are interested to learn the price action. I'm happy for that. Hey Peter, Jonathan, thank you brother for confirming that it's clear. Boom for the that first buy side and macro did it. Okay, yeah, but it is before 9:30, so I have nothing to do. Leziva, Leziva Mashlava. Okay, done for the day, 4.5% on the day. Close your chart, brother. Just close your chart. Don't push your button one more time. It's Nvidia earnings. So if you already are winner, just don't focus on the chart anymore. Be happy with your win. Okay. I scoped that 50-minute 50% and retraced to 800 level. That's cool. I took long from 50-minute BPR 827 candle for 71 ticks, made $700. Muhammad Omar, I should not tell this, but I'm telling you this. Okay, before 9:30, don't make a habit to push your button before 9:30. In a longer term, you will hurt yourself. Trust me, brother. You will hurt yourself much more. Okay, so please don't make that habit. And if you are already profitable, just don't push your button anymore. Close your chart. Martin, good afternoon, brother. How are you? George, hey, George, how are you, brother? Yes, Nvidia earnings. Yeah, today we have Nvidia earnings. Yes, mate, in Uzbekistan. Okay, Peter, you are in Uzbekistan now? That's cool. No, no, that's why I mentioned I watched Rip's live today. He used to get 1K view, and I saw like 200 only, and he mentioned. Oh, okay. So I think it's a YouTube issue then. If it is a YouTube issue, I'm happy. David, thanks for what, brother? For what you give me the thanks. Yes, that's enough, sir. You are giving 100% always. Thank you, Caesar. Leonardo, hello Tito. It's been my major fight manage my work and trading days. I need to know better. If you only have 4 days to trade in one month, what days do you pick and why? Okay, nice question. If you ask me about that, I am not going to pick 4 days. Instead of that, I would love to pick 3 days, and that will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I will let Monday and Friday go because Monday we don't have any news and there is no volatility. Though it is tradable, but still, it's the starting of the week, really so tough to trade. And Friday is the closing of the week. It is the hardest for me, so I would love to skip Monday and Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday, if I have the news and if I don't have the news, I don't care. Still, Wednesday and Thursday is really so easy to trade. Okay, it's really too easy to trade. Just I have to feel this thing. Okay, this is Wednesday and Thursday's trainings way. So it's really so easy. And Tuesday, if there is a news, I would love to trade in Tuesday. So Monday and Friday, I don't like trading. Monday is still manageable. You can manage Monday, but Friday is extremely difficult. In my opinion, we should trade Friday around after 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. Okay, we should trade after 3 p.m. in Friday only. When I was a child, I dreamed with that city, Samark, Samarkand. Why is that city, George? In Uzbekistan? Remember to like the video, brothers. Yeah, thank you, MS, for reminding them. Good evening, brother. Good evening. Yeah, guys, please give me the likes before 9:30. Make it 50 likes, okay? As I can see, small people, 66 people are watching, but that's cool. Still, that's cool. Just give me 50 likes. So 16 people can skip the like, but 50 people press the like button. Now, let's see if it can expand higher from there or not. This is the hourly fair value gap. Let's see if it can expand from that hourly fair value gap to until that order block level. Okay, this is the order block from daily chart. I'm expecting that market will reach to this order block, but if it keep falling and if it wants to go to for that sell side liquidity before Nvidia, then NQM will go for that all-time high. So there is all-time high. Now guys, for your understanding here, this high is not my liquidity anymore because this was the shallow run. Here, that was the obvious liquidity. So when the shallow run has taken by another shallow run, I don't care about that anymore. So in my opinion, that is not liquidity anymore. So I'm done with the liquidity over there. But I will keep that in my mind that this is the all-time high and the most clean buy side liquidity relatively equal highs. So it can go for that buy side liquidity. In that type of situation, dollar index will keep falling. Okay, so two type of situation, and this is the last fair value gap from hourly chart, sorry, from 15-minute chart. So we will see how it react. Trust me, it's gonna be very difficult today to trade. After effect, everything is so easy, so easy, but before the price printed on the chart, it's really so difficult to trade. The reason is Nvidia. Last time when I saw the Nvidia, oh man, it was disaster. Whole day I was waiting for the run and I didn't get any kind of run. Even the FOMC didn't give me any volatility. I was really so confused. What is happening today? And then Jack T, I so far I remember Jack T, he was the guy who told me that we have the Nvidia. I never know there is something called Nvidia or earnings, which happened after closing the market. So I find out that, oh man, it's awesome. That run was awesome. But if you guys, if any of you were with me in that time, if you remember, we managed a trade over there for 168 handle. If you remember or not, I don't know if anyone is here from that day. We managed a setup around the Nvidia, and that given us 150 plus handle. Exactly, I guess 168, but more than 150 handle. So if I remember. So Please be careful about the Nvidia and make sure that you give me the likes before 9:30. So I have 10 minutes left. I just need 10 more likes for touching 50 likes. If any of you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, so please push the like button and wait for 9:30. The main game will start after 9:30. But very, very, very be careful. Okay, not going to be a good day for trading. Not going to be a very good day for trading. Okay, the whole market will wait for Nvidia earnings. It will wait for that. I trust that. Yeah, ABS. I have just changed my YouTube channel name and now it is my name, T2 SNC Trader. So I have just changed my name, brother. I was there a few days ago. Samarkand, very nice. Oh, okay. I have a limit order on gold. What do you think? I'm not trading Manu. I'm not trading gold right now. I was trading gold around the London session because of load shedding. I wasn't there until the end of the session. But I'm not trading gold right now. I'm just focusing on Nasdaq right now. This is my field. Nasdaq is my field. So I would love to play in my field freely. I'm getting used to with gold. I need some more days. That's all. Hey Mithul, thanks for liking, brother. Today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I know that, but in 1 month, I have to pick the right week. For example, this one is bad. Next one, NFP. What is that? I need a little help in that. Mikkel, just give me a message to my Twitter. I really didn't understand your questions. I will talk to you over there, okay? To the Twitter. Yeah, NQ pushed huge. Nvidia was the main backbone for this whole NQ with AI hype. Okay. Good evening, Sujit. How are you, brother? I didn't get notified to the stream. Okay. I don't know why, but I have already tweeted that in my Twitter and just came here. I got the notification. I'm the subscriber of my channel. So guys, please make sure that you give me the like. I need 4 more likes for touching 50 likes within 7 minutes. Give me that first, please. Make sure that you push the like button. Now near about 80 people are watching. 50 likes is not too much, I believe. As I told you, if I'm bullish, okay, I'm bullish until this buy side liquidity, I'm bullish. If market can close below this parallel gap from 15-minute chart, I'll be bearish until this sell side liquidity. Otherwise, I'm bullish. So that's all. In short, that's all for today's analysis, pre-market analysis. I have this clean sell side liquidity over here. If you can see uh, here, this low and that low, they're relatively equal lows. A very clean sell side liquidity. Market doesn't like this clean price action. Tick by tick. This is the sell side liquidity which is actually tick by tick. So market doesn't like this type of sell side liquidity. Market doesn't like this type to keep this type of clean price action. So that is my sell side target, but buy side target is over here, which is the all-time high. Anything can happen. We will see. So far I can see market went higher, take all of this buy side liquidity, went lower until the last parallel gap from 1 minute chart, come back again to the last parallel gap over here from the 15-minute chart. This is the last parallel gap. The reaction from last parallel gap. I don't want to see this parallel gap will be broken now. So this parallel gap should not be broken right now. If market really would love to go higher, it should not break this parallel gap. Let me mark it. I'm just waiting for 9:30. No entry is valid before 9:30. If really market would love to go higher, this parallel gap should not be broken. Hey Twister, how are you, brother? What about FOMC minutes? FOMC, I don't think so that we are going to get any volatility around that area. The reason is Nvidia. Last time when I saw the Nvidia, it was the FOMC day as well, and I got just trapped by that. I was expecting, I had really so clean buy side liquidity around that area. So I thought around FOMC market is going to take that buy side liquidity. But around FOMC market went lower, much more lower. So I was confused what is happening over here. I really didn't know about Nvidia, to be honest. But later when the Nvidia earnings started, oh man, that was a huge run toward that my buy side liquidity, and it was very clean run. So I'm expecting the same thing today as well. That's why I told, if you are trading your real money, don't trade today. Skip trading today. Instead of that, do the paper trade. Try to read the price. That's all. That's all do. You should do today. Sun Sahar, why did you change your name? Didn't like it, brother? Sun Sahar? Don't you like it, man? I guess it's a cool name. And the logo as well. It's cool. I think so, okay? Let me know that. At open 9:30, this parallel gap can broken to take quick liquidity, right? Absolutely, it can do that. Below 800 and push back upside. Absolutely, it can do that, brother. Absolutely, it can do that. I want to see that market will is not going to break this parallel gap. That's all I want to see. The reason is I want to see market will go higher and take this buy side liquidity. That's why I want to see that. Can it break it? Absolutely, it can break it. There is nothing wrong with that, but I don't want to see that. So here is my expectation. That doesn't mean market can do that. Obviously, market can break this one. It can reach until this last parallel gap or until, see this relatively equal lows. Let me mark this relatively equal lows from 1 minute chart here. It can take this relatively equal lows as well. It can do that. Why I was not looking, I wasn't interested to see that it is broken. The reason is when market take the buy side liquidity, it went lower, failed to take the sell side liquidity. Instead of that, it trade the last parallel gap. See, after trading the last parallel gap, it went higher, make this relatively equal highs. This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. So after making this relatively equal highs, market should go higher from any kind of parallel gap. So this is the last parallel gap that should not be broken. If market really would love to go higher, it should support, I mean, it should take support from the last parallel gap. Now we are just before the 9:30, around 9:30. Absolutely, it can break that parallel gap. Even it can go for that sell side liquidity. At the same time, as I told you, if I see 15-minute chart, from 15-minute chart, this BPR is broken, I will be bearish until this sell side liquidity. And dollar index has broken that hourly parallel gap, so it is extremely bearish. So so far I'm bullish until market is above this break BPR area. I'm bullish. Okay, 1 minute left for 9:30. Let's see what happens around 9:30. Look at the price action over here. Okay, from 15-minute chart, just look at the price action. Yeah, so far it's look like bullish. Absolutely, it looks like so bullishness, but still how the last parallel gap is holding the price. Look at this, so beautiful. Okay, by the way, did I get 50 likes? Yeah, I got 56 likes. Thank you guys for giving me the likes. Before 9:30 I get 50 likes. I'm happy for that. Okay, I'm really happy for that. So let's see. That doesn't mean I'm gonna push my button before 9:30. Pushing button is forbidden. You can't just take entry before 9:30. At the same time, keep that in your mind. If you're trading through your real money, please don't trade today. Okay, today is not a good day for trading. This parallel gap hold the price and came here, made relatively equal highs over there. See, this buy side liquidity. So let's see if it can break it and go for that buy side liquidity or not. I don't want to see it's broken. If it's broken, that means market is going much more lower and it is nearly clean that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. It's almost clear. If it can close above this fair value gap, I will take a buy until that buy side liquidity. If it can close above that fair value gap, if it fail, okay, I'll cool. I'm not doing anything. Here is the opening gap. As it is very small, I'm not interested to mark that one. Well, it didn't close, so either way I'll go for the buy. My stop loss will cover. I believe that it will take the all-time high and the relative equal highs from 15-minute chart. That's my belief. Okay, so I'll try that. Here is a fair value gap that can be traded. That means market can come back again to trade this fair value gap. It can happen, though I don't want to see that. This fair value gap, I really don't want to see that. But if it happens, it's cool. My stop loss is too small. Oh man, I forgot about the rules. I thought that I'm just doing the challenge, so I forgot about that. So I shouldn't push one more contract over there. Shit, I forgot about that. What I will do, I will put one stop loss sell stop. So I will put one to the break even. If it can hit me to the break even, I'll be in one contract. Okay, I forgot about that challenge. I'm extremely sorry. I thought that I will follow the rules of the challenge group. I just put one contract over there so that if it can hit my stop loss to the break even, I'll be in one contract. I'm sorry. Okay, I for pushing the button. I just here went for that buy side liquidity and very nice trade for the beginning of 9:30. You know the logic. I was just reading every logic. I have already explained what I wanted to see. So I read the story from the beginning, then I pushed my button and I pushed my button over here, so I added one more over there. uh, I hope that you already understand why I pushed my button over there. Anyone knows where did YT move the like button? Why there is no like? I can see there is the like button. Oh man. uh, so at the beginning I'm done, and thank you guys. Please write down the boom. Okay, for me please write down that boom. Whoever actually joined me little later, let me explain one more time that trade. I'm just waiting for better price action now because market has already taken the all-time high. This is the all-time high. I want to see how it react now. Okay, now this is the shallow run. I'm not done with this yet. Okay, so my new buy sell liquidity is over here. This is my new buy sell liquidity. Keep that in your mind. So I will see if market has any intention to keep going higher. That's all I need to see. Or if market really would love to go for the sell side liquidity, this clean sell side liquidity. So I will try to understand both of them. I need little more time frame another trade over here. Let me explain why I took that entry, because I can see now 140 people are watching. I guess some of you actually join me later, so it will help you to understand. Here is 15-minute chart. That was my buy side liquidity. So market went lower, make this sell side liquidity. See this BPR area, this one, market trade this area, went higher. When market has taken this buy side liquidity, went lower. Where did it came? To this last fair value gap. That means market failed to take this clean sell side liquidity. Market went lower, make the sell side liquidity, went higher, take the buy side liquidity. It has made sell side liquidity. It has taken buy side liquidity. Try to understand the fact over here, brother. Okay. It has taken the buy side liquidity, failed to take sell side liquidity, started to run for the sell side liquidity. Now it is going. Why? To take this sell side liquidity. Now this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart hold the price. It hold the price until till that. No, you should not go for that. Now I will start to look for a sell setup. Here I can't look for a sell setup. I will start to look for sell setup if market can close below this BPR. Keep that in your mind again. Until it broke this BPR, I'm not looking for sell. I just can't go for that. If you see any kind of setup, you can go for that. Okay, I'm just not interested. Whatever. It started to go low to take this sell side liquidity. Failed because this last parabolic up hold the price. Market started to go higher. What did it has done? Made this relatively equal high. See, buy side liquidity. Now I have this sell side liquidity, but market failed to take that sell side liquidity because of this last parabolic gap. Market made buy side liquidity. Now it started to go lower to take this sell side liquidity. Now here this parabolic gap. I told that it should not be broken. If really market would love to go higher, it should not be broken. It came here around 9:30, market went higher. Here one thing I missed, and that is I wanted to see market will close above this parabolic gap, but it didn't close it. In the same time I saw that market structure shift, that was the parabolic gap. I took my entry over here because most of the time market doesn't trade that parabolic gap. I took one contract, trade this parabolic gap one more time, I added one more. That was my obvious liquidity. I went for that obvious liquidity. So that's all for the beginning. Or yeah, thank you guys for writing down boom. Everyone whoever write down boom, thank you so much. Okay, I don't have the like button. You have to close the chat. You will find the like, then open the chat again. Okay, thank you Jackie. Pascal, thank you man. Santos, thank you. I see bunch of videos in that section. YouTube have changed UI for me. Okay, something is messy I guess. George, thanks for that boom man. Nvidia is pulling back sharply. Now I'm really I'm looking for sell. Okay, but here I just can't frame a sell setup. I just can't do that. I have to wait until market break this BPR. When this BPR is broken, then I will look for this sell side liquidity. Okay, this sell side liquidity I have to sacrifice, but at the same time, if any of you would love to take sell and if you find out something very clean, you can go for that. I have no problem with that. Please go for that. If you think that market is going to take that sell side liquidity, you want to take sell, go for that. I just can't take sell over here. Until this BPR is not broken, I can't take sell. I have to look for buy. This is the rules ICT talked about. So when market is at the all-time high, you have to keep taking buy. So still I'm looking for buy, not sell. I hope that you'll understand. Thank you GJ, Ben Cruz, Eli Peter Periods, Eli Periods. Oh man, you are new to my channel. I didn't see your name before. Hey David, thank you man. Hey Gupta, thank you. Thanks for that perfection word. Again, today is not good for trading real money. Please keep that in your mind. Today is not good for trading real money. If you wanna trade, please trade through your paper money, but not real money. My request, okay? Not many penguins today. Not many penguins. Yeah, guys, Kesh, you should give me the penguin first, brother. From gap to buy side liquidity. Not from this gap. You can't take buy from that gap. The reason was it was before 9:30. So you have to wait for another gap to take your entry. So you don't need to push your button over there. You can wait for this parabolic gap because you can see very nice market structure shift. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. It's a valid market structure shift. After shifting the market structure, there is the parallel gap. You can take your entry over there until the buy side liquidity. So buy side liquidity has taken already. I put my new buy side liquidity over there because of shallow run. So yeah. Thank you, Peter. Thanks for that penguin, man. Thank you, FX, for that penguin. Sizo, give me some penguin, brother. First, give me some penguin, brother. What is your ethnicity? Indian? I'm not Indian. I'm from Bangladesh. He's from Bangladesh. Thank you, Sizo, for confirming that. Thank you, man. Good of W. Okay. I guess W for win. I love boom, brother. Again, I told you that please, if you wanna look for sell and if you find out any kind of setup, please go for that. You have sales and liquidity over here. Here, I will start to look for sell only if market can break this BPR. So when market will break this BPR, I will start to look for sell. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. I just can't look for the buy. The reason is as per ICT, you just can't look for sell when market is at the all-time highs. First, market has to tell me that, brother, I'm done for the buy side. Now I'm looking for sell side. So that should be the first thing, and then I will go for sell. First, market has to tell me that I'm done with the buy side. How do I know that? See this BPR? When this BPR is broken, I will look for sell. Until this BPR is not broken from 15-minute chart, not from 1-minute chart, not from any other time frame. Until this is not broken, I'm not looking for sell. Simple. Ah, mosquito. Lol from India. Lol from India. Lots of love from India. Thank you, brother. Thanks for that love, man. Tuangshu Gupta. Is that penguin, brother? I guess so. Yeah, thank you for that penguin. No fake penguins. Thank you, Caesar, for that penguin, man. I love penguin. I love boom. It means you will wait the 15-minute candle close. Absolutely. Sure. Absolutely, brother. I will wait for 15-minute candle close below this fair value gap. If I get that, I'll be interested to take sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell. Even my heart is telling me, please go to 30-second chart and take a sell from there. Okay, my heart is telling me that, but I just can't do that. As per ICT, you should not look for sell around the all-time high. You should keep looking for buy until it proves you wrong. You should keep looking for buy. So I will look for buy only. I'm not interested to look for sell. Simple, brother. Okay. Some of us can't afford penguins. What do you mean by that? You can't afford penguins. You have the penguin on the. You see, Gupta has given me the penguin, so you can use that penguin. I guess it's cool. And in my membership, no, it's not expensive. I guess $3. The lowest one is $3. I guess. Look at this candle from 15-minute chart. What a nice candle. Now see, you can see market went lower. It has taken this low, came here. It is going higher now. Okay, that is the thing I am afraid of. This is the thing I'm afraid of. That is why I told I'm not interested to take sell until this BPR is not broken. When this one is broken, yeah, I have the range from here to here. So I can look for a sell in that area. But right now, oh no, I'm not interested to take sell. Instead of that, I would love to go for buy if I get any kind of situation or any kind of chance. You can see this parallel gap here, this one. It's an inversion parallel gap in my opinion, and I would love to see market will this market will come here, will go there. If it can make a fair value gap over here, then it doesn't need to reach until this fair value gap. If it can make a fair value gap over here, then it doesn't need to reach until here. Instead of that, it will trade that fair value gap, then went higher. Simple. My expectation only, this is not a perfect setup. If if you want to go, it's your responsibility. Okay, you will go with your responsibility. I'm just not interested to uh, take sell. That's all. Try to understand the fact over here what I told. Okay, after taking the whole buy side liquidity, you saw how market went lower. I believe that a lot of you started to think, okay, now market is falling, let's take sell. But you should not. You should wait for some kind of something from 15 minutes. You should look for that. Okay, it's extremely important. Leave me or not. So it has made a fair value gap over here. So this fair value gap and this B pair is around the same level. So I'm not gonna mark this fair value gap. Instead of that, I will just stay like this way. It doesn't need to reach until that fair value gap. As I told, it just can expand higher now. But I'm just not interested to push my button over here. I'll just watch the price because market is really so gymnastic right now. And you can see this was the opening gap. Market has perfectly closed the opening gap. So over here, this opening gap has closed perfectly. Easily market can go higher now. There is nothing can stop the price so far. It can easily go for that buy now new buy sell liquidity. Overall, you know what is my target? This is my target, and I believe that this week market is going to touch that level 18888.75. Let's see. Chudi Penguin for the win. Thank you, brother. Hi, sir. How are you? So please educate us how you calculate the 188. Okay. As I have the time, I would love to show you that. But before that, keep that in your mind. This is going to be taken. It's my opinion right now, and market should not go below this fair value gap. It should not go. It should keep going higher. Take that buy sell liquidity. Just keep that in your mind. High, low, higher high. This is the middle leg from monthly chart. Okay, this is the middle leg from monthly chart. I am going to mark the low of the body, lowest body, and the highest body. Okay, not weak, body to body, and going for the normal, I guess, to change the end. Over here, lowest body, highest body. Okay, here this is the minus 1.5 standard deviation. Now you can't see it, but look over here. Okay, 0, 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, minus 3. So I have three line over here, 1, 2, 3. I have just three line over there. This is minus 1, sorry, minus 2, minus 1.5. In my opinion, if market would love to go lower, or the bullish run has to be done any of this level, either minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, any of this level, and the 50% of these two level, minus 1.5 and minus 2, the 50% of that minus 1.75, 2 and 2.25 and 2.5. So any of these six level is the perfect level for reversal. That means market can go and reverse from any of this level. Until then, I'm bullish. In a longer period of time, I'm bullish. I hope that, brother, you understand. I forgot actually to talk about that yesterday. Okay, so I'm here. Why it is like that? Fine. So yeah, market didn't go below this parabolic gap. It is going to take that obvious liquidity. Now here is my obvious liquidity. Why? See, this was relatively equal highs. This relatively equal highs has taken by a shallow run. So nobody closed, above this relatively equal highs. It's called the shallow run. If body can close above this buy side liquidity, then I will start to look for sell. If body can close above that buy side liquidity from 15 minute chart, then I will start to look for sell. Otherwise, I'm not looking for sell. I didn't push my button, and as I don't want to push my button over here as well, but it was my expectation, and so far my expectation is working perfectly. Let's see. If I'm not wrong, then market will take that all-time high again, and the body will close above this high now. The body has to close above this high from 15 minute chart, not from 1 minute chart, from 15 minute chart. If body can close above that high, then I will start to look for sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested. For the new people, please share this stream and educate. Boom. Thank you, Caesar. No problem, Golden John. Golden John, that's a nice name. Please share the settings of FIB. FIB settings. Sorry. You can take a screenshot, I guess, from here. Yeah. Please take a screenshot. I am going to close it, okay? Just take a screenshot. You need something here. You can take another screenshot. And yeah, that's all. Otherwise, please come back later and take the screenshot from there. Still it didn't hit my target. Still it's left from that target. I will write on boom again. No problem. What makes a valid inversion fair value gap? There is my second boom. As I told you, I was looking for buy. I wasn't looking for sell. Even I wanted to sell from 30 seconds set, to be honest. My mind was telling go over there and take for sell. But as ICT told, when you are at the all-time high, keep taking buy. Don't look for sell. Don't look for sell. So now I will see from 15 minute chart, if body can close above this buy side liquidity, I will say for a short period of time market has done the buy run, okay, but it has to close above that buy side liquidity. Again, this all the shallow run, which shallow run has taken by another shallow run. This is no more liquidity for me. It's no more liquidity for me. So I'm not seeing this is liquidity anymore, but this is liquidity. Why this is liquidity? Because this is now new all-time high. This is now new all-time high. Keep that in your mind. All-time high is the most strongest liquidity ever. So this is the new all-time high. Can I look for sell now? No, absolutely not. If I want to look for a sell now, I need a 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap now. If I really would love to take a sell, it can retrace from this order block, it can retrace from this fair value gap, it can retrace from this last fair value gap, it can retrace from this BPR. It can retrace after taking this sell side liquidity, it can retrace. Okay, I am just not interested to take sell until market make a bearish fair value gap from 15 minute chart or market close below this BPR. I'm not interested to take sell. I will keep looking for buy. Now what I have over here, do I have any other line which can I use for liquidity? No, I don't have, but I will use the standard deviation now. See this highest up close body close candle, it is the breaker. Here this candle, this is a perfect breaker, bullish breaker. It can just simply it can reverse the price for another standard deviation level from 1 minute chart. I will see. Okay, thank you Ben Kuj, thank you MS. Hey Javed, It was very nice tape reading, brother. Okay, you are welcome. Guys, I need to actually switch on the what to say. I mean, file. I don't know you understand it or not. It's because of mosquito. Today we had a big rain over here. I mean, very heavy rain. Now my room is full of mosquito. I need to switch on the coil. We call it coil. I don't know what is the English word of that. So I need to bring it from here and I need to open it. Okay, so give me sometimes. I am just need to open it because lot of mosquito over here. Oh, man. By the way, thank you guys for writing down the T to the wizard. I'm not the wizard, man. I use that for fun. But remember again, I'm not interested to take sell. If any of you think that market is going lower, you want to take a sell from any kind of level, you please go for that. Just don't blame me, brother. I didn't take sell because of you. Please just don't tell me that. I'm really afraid of that. So I am not bearish. I'm bullish until market keep going higher and it is not giving me some kind of uh, perfection. I'm bullish. So yeah, still I'm just bullish. I don't think like this way the market will trade this fair value gap, then it will keep falling. No, I'm not like this way. By the way, that was the inversion fair value gap because this low failed to take the lowest low, the obvious low, which is the liquidity, or which low has made the liquidity. See, this low failed to take that liquidity low. That is why this was the inversion fair value gap. Now market didn't trade that inversion fair value gap. Instead of that, this order block worked perfectly for reversal. Okay, here this is a inversion fair value gap. In my opinion, this is an inversion fair value gap. At the same time, keep that in your mind, this is a breaker block. So in my opinion, that's a perfect breaker block over here. I'm not going to mark it, but in my opinion, this is a perfect breaker block. I'm not interested to push my button around that area because it is at the all-time high. I'm still believing that market will keep going higher because market didn't close above that relatively equal highs by body. It didn't close yet by body. So until it's not closing by body, I will keep pushing market higher, higher and higher. Okay? I can be absolutely wrong, but this is my opinion right now. I'm not interested to take sell again. Okay, to give a prop from account. How can I give it? How can I give it, brother? Prop from account. Does rain create mosquitoes? No, it's not like that. Because of the rain, the mosquito come into the room for taking rest, I guess, and then they started to bite. Ah, the mosquito bite is really so difficult. If market keep going lower, I'm not gonna take sell until this BPR is not broken or market doesn't make any bearish parabolic from 15 minutes chart. Any of this thing I need to take sell. uh Trading around, man, I really don't know, brother, what is that. But yeah, I'm just coming back. Okay, just at the same time I can see now 171 people are watching. Before coming back, give me at least 100 likes. Okay, we have home sales in 2 minutes. We had a news. I so far remember we had a news, so we will see what happened. Oh, okay. So if we have a news around 10, we should have we should not push our button around that area. Please don't push your button. Let's wait for home sale, but I believe that it will keep going higher. The reason is the week. I'm seeing the week over here. That made me believe that market will keep going higher. That made me believe. Okay, still now I have the sell side liquidity, so we will decide how to do that. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'm just coming back. Okay. I just can't sit over here because of the mosquito. Please give me 100 likes before coming back. I need 14 more likes. So I have now 86 likes. I'm coming back. Okay, so market has taken that buy side again. Okay, I'm cool. And thank you guys for giving me that 100 likes. So within 1 hour, I got 100 likes. Well, this candle closed at the high of this high. Okay, so let me mark that one more time. Here, this one. Okay, just look over here from 15-minute chart. It closed above that high. This clean highs, it closed above that high. It's cool to me to think that now market can reverse after seeing this candle. Okay, cool to me to see that, yeah, maybe market can reverse now, but for that I need more confirmation that, yeah, really market would love to go lower. What type of confirmation? First, if it can make a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I'm cool. If market close below this bpr, I'm cool as well, because I have this clean sell side liquidity around that area here. Okay, just let me mark the low here. Should I frame a trade from there? It's extremely risky because I have a lot of things over here. For example, this order block, mean threshold of that order block, that is no more important. This bpr or the inversion fair value gap, 1 minute last fair value gap, 50% of that week, this bpr, this sell side liquidity, anything can be taken, then market can reverse again. So in my opinion, you should wait for a overconfirm situation, and that is a 50-minute bearish fair value gap, in my opinion. Okay, so I will see that, I will look for that. So far I think that market has done job over here. At the same time, keep that in your mind, today is Wednesday, so Wednesday's price action is something like that. Again, I have talked about this lot of time, I'm gonna talk it one more time. This is very common situation of Wednesday and Thursday's price action, very common. So keep that in your mind as well. Be careful about every kind of situation. See all of this liquidity, what market can do, market can take those liquidity, then it can expand higher again. I'll keep that in my mind as well. Okay guys, yes, retracing to 15-minute. Can we frame a long? I'm only bullish, brother. I'm just only bullish. Okay, I'm not bearish, I'm just bullish. As I told, this is the that will be the situation for looking for sell, otherwise I'm bullish. Can I take a buy over here? No, you can't. You just can't take a buy over there. See all of this liquidity around that area. Look how beautiful the support zone over there. Should you take a buy from there, leaving those liquidity around that area? No, you should not do that. By the way, I think the YouTube issues has solved, because I can see it's near about 170 people are watching me. It's a huge number for me. I guess the issues has already solved. Uh, so dollar index has closed below this parallel gap. Now it can use this parallel gap as a resistance, and it can keep going lower for this sell side liquidity. It's a good situation, good scenario for sell dollar index to buy Nasdaq. Okay, and here is my subscriber. Okay, I got 8 subscriber today. That's cool. 5785. If I get 15 more, it's gonna be 5800. So I need 15 more subscriber. For you, maybe it's a sign to take sell, but I'm seeing it has taken all of this liquidity, has traded this bpr or the inversion fair value gap, a perfect inversion fair value gap. I'm just watching like that way. I'm not just going to take a sell around that area. I don't have that ability to do that. If any of you are looking for sell, please go for that. My advice is not to trade through your real money today. Instead of that, do paper trade today. Okay? My request. So what did you say? Everyone is going to agree with you. Is going to be agreeing with you. Okay, let me check. What did you say? Another boom. You gave a lot of ideas and all worked now. Okay, then you give me a penguin. That's cool. Thank you, brother. Hey, professor. Same analysis. Good to know, Tito. Brother, that's mean I am doing better now. Okay, that's a good news for me because I am doing the same analysis like you. It's really good for me to know that. So let's see how can it go where it wants to go. I have this clean sell side liquidity. Don't forget, this is the strongest liquidity. Every single time I talked about the liquidity, right? Here, this is three type of liquidity. I always talk about three type of liquidity. Let me show you the liquidity. Okay, this is a great place to explain the liquidity. First, this is the relatively equal highs. This is the normal liquidity to me. Just normal liquidity. Okay, look over here. Relatively equal highs, you have to think the vice versa, relatively equal lows. Then there is another liquidity which is stronger than this type of liquidity, and that is this liquidity. See, this is relatively equal lows. Then this run came here to take that liquidity, failed to take that liquidity. It is called the strongest liquidity. So this is the second liquidity and the obvious liquidity. What is obvious liquidity? Let me show you that as well. See, this is the low over. This is the low, okay? This low has taken over here. Look, it has taken this low by a shallow run. It is called the obvious liquidity. I marked the low of that shallow run and I marked that as a obvious liquidity. So this is only three type of liquidity I only work. There is no other liquidity to me. In my opinion, there is no other liquidity. And I don't work with any other liquidity. That's all, brother. Okay. Can you please explain one more time about the Wednesday Thursday price action being very common? What part of this price action is common? Thanks. Okay, I'm just telling. I said Tito's blood is sweet, that's why mosquito biting you more. Oh, and mosquito. In Wednesday and Thursday, this is going to happen, okay? This is Tuesday's price action. So think that it closed over here. Now this is Wednesday. First, market will take this low, some kind of obvious low will be taken. After taking this, market will close above that buy side liquidity. Then from 1 minute chart, it will keep taking the 1 minute liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. It will go lower, make 1 minute liquidity, take the liquidity, boom. Sorry, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. It will keep doing that until the obvious buy side liquidity is taken. After taking the obvious buy side liquidity, it will reverse, but the same way. I explained the way it was going higher. It will reverse or it will fall at the same way. And this is very common in Wednesday and Thursday. So in my opinion, let's look over here from 1 minute chart. Market went lower, takes some liquidity here. Okay, just let me show over there. Market has taken the liquidity, went higher. After going high from 1 minute chart, it has made the liquidity. All of this liquidity. This all liquidity has taken. Now, if I get a very nice market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, I'll go for that buy with confidence, and I will call that perfect setup. If it can give me a perfect market structure shift, fair value gap, price will trade the fair value gap, boom, and it will keep doing that. Now over here, every single tick is your clean buy side liquidity. Every single tick. Why? Because this is all time high. Okay, this is all time high. Okay, let's see. So far I don't see any swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. So far I don't see any swing high. Okay, if I force the market, I can say this is the swing high. If I force the market, now you want to force the market or not, it's up to you. This can be a market structure shift. Let's see if it can make a fair value gap over here. If it can make a fair value gap, that is a perfect place or sweet place to take buy. Now here this is not a perfect setup. The reason is this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. It's not valid for shifting market structure. Still, if you want to take a risk for near about, I will go for that. I mean, if it can make the fair value gap, then if it failed to make the fair value gap, this entry is not valid. Let's see if it can make it. So there is a fair value gap here. Here is the stop loss, and maybe you will go until there. So 1:2. Okay, just make it 1:2. I will go for this. Again, it's not a perfect setup. The reason is this swing high is not valid for shipping market structure, but still I can force the market to give me the setup. That's all. As I told, I will force the market. I would love to do that. Here, if you take more than one contract, you have to take a partial over there. That should be a partial. It has to be a partial. If you don't have any opportunity to take the partial in that type of situation, your stop loss has to be to the break even. Okay, so either way you have to do that. I don't dare to buy here. It's up to you, brother. I am just going with my expectation, and this is my expectation. Last Wednesday I have proved that how this Wednesday market works. Okay, I have proved that 6 times, so I am okay with that. That's why I told that, yeah, I will force the here. I force the market. It's true, because this market structure shift is not valid except this one. Every single thing is perfect. The reason is market has built this sell side liquidity around that area. See, all of this sell side liquidity has taken. All of this sell side liquidity has taken. I just forced to market give me the market structure shift. That's all. That's the only thing illegal. Okay, I did it illegally. Otherwise, this is a perfect setup. Keep that in your mind. Even if you are in this trade, you have to take partial around that area. If it can reach until that area, you have to take partial. If you don't have any opportunity to take the partial, your stop loss has to be to the break even. There is no other way. I mean, here this is the near about 1500. Okay, it's not bad to take a partial. It's not absolutely bad idea to take partial around that area. That doesn't mean I'm inviting you to take any kind of entry. I'm not inviting you. I'm just explaining the way I see the market. This is the only thing I'm doing, and I'm not pushing my button because of the psychological thing. I wanted to follow the rules, though I break it today. I just took 2 contract. I didn't want to take that, but yeah, what it is, whatever. Okay, trying dollar tried to break that parabolic, failed, then went lower. That's cool. And okay, over here, let's see if I can get another boom or not. Hey, my bro, look gold. I'm not trading gold right now, Brahim. I'm trading my chart, Nasdaq. So I would love to play with Nasdaq right now. So I will play with gold around London session only. and I need more time to cope up with gold because I need to be more precise about the entry and the stop loss. I guess I need a little more time for dollar index. Hmm. Better I will put my stop loss here now. Just minimize my loss as market is just consolidating, so I will put my stop loss over there. That is full idea, I guess. I have a very bad habit of trailing my stop loss, but yeah, I will do that. Now, if you look over here, the price action, this is a perfect market structure here. This is a perfect market structure. When this candle shifted, it's a perfect market structure shift. After shifting the market structure, market came to this parallel gap, trade that parallel gap. This one I force, to be honest, but here this one is cool for shifting market structure. So either way, I'm absolutely perfect, absolutely perfect until now. If I am not exactly wrong, market will go higher now with speed, and now I will see the speed. If I'm not absolutely wrong of my direction, then you will see the speed right now. If I'm wrong, I will take a loss of 3 handle, just 3 handle. If this candle close below this mean threshold, it's not a good sign for me, and maybe I will be stopped out. If it close below this mean threshold, then there is much more possibility I'll be stopped out. It closed below this mean threshold. If it is not a fake breakout, how do I know it is fake breakout? It will depend by this candle. The recent candle, if it close above the mean threshold, that is called fake breakout. Otherwise, I'm in a great danger and I will take a 3 handle stop loss. What do you think? It is cool to take 3 handle stop loss? I will go for that. I have no problem with that. 3 handle stop loss. You count the trade depend on losing and winning, and I count the trade depending on handle. How many handle I took loss? Yeah, it hit my stop loss. Let's see how far it can reach. Then what is going to happen? As it's broken, I'm going to remove it. I'll keep it because I want to see that did I do right by trailing my stop loss, or if I would put it over there, it could be okay. So that's why I will keep this. I guess I did the right thing. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes my trailing stop loss punished me a lot. Still, I'm happy with that. Okay, you can see it would hit my stop loss, so I did the right job. Here I got I am not punished actually. I did the right thing, I guess. So that's a three handle stop loss. Yeah, it didn't work. I'm happy with that, but still I can't just look for sell. As I told you, I will look for sell if only if I see a parallel gap from 15 meter, then otherwise I'm not. I believe that it will go higher. This parallel gap still it's valid because this is the low of that origin. This is the low. It didn't take any yet, so this parallel gap is still valid. Has some job to do. Price action is not good right now. It is sideways, so keep wait. Okay, brother, just keep wait. Little wait. You will get better opportunity again, but for that you need to wait little more. Gold is falling. Why you guys talking about gold? I'm not trading gold right now. Okay. On your 15-minute chart, look at this candle, look at this candle, and look at this candle. This candle, okay? And then look at this 1 minute chart. This is the low of the range, the high of the range. Market is range bound. Let it fall. I don't think so it will fall. I don't think so, brother. It will fall. Trust me. Trust me for one time, brother. Please trust me for one time. Before taking this high, market is not going to fall. When it will close above this high, I would love to take re-entry. So I have already one loss. I'm okay with that. I will take one more buy on that area. If it can close above this parallel gap. It is highly risky now as the market is range bound, but still I will believe that this is going to work. But this entry will be valid if and only if market can close above this parallel gap. Then otherwise it's not valid. Well, I'm already in the market. Let's take another 700 loss, but I believe that it will work. You don't need to take this type of entry, but as I believe this is the valid setup, market went lower, take the liquidity, market structure shift, parallel gap. Price check that parallel gap went much more lower, failed to take the origin of that setup. This low is the origin of that setup. So when market failed to take that origin of that setup, this parallel gap is still valid to take the entry. So I love to take this type of entry, but you doesn't need to do that, okay? Because maybe for some of you it's highly risky. Maybe you think that no, it's not going to work, or you don't feel comfortable. No need to take this type of entry. I love to take this type of entry. And even if I get stopped out, I keep taking this type of entry. Here, this is the order block. Here, it is the perfect order block over here. All I need to just cover the mean threshold of that order block. Let me check, did I cover that one or not? Okay, That is the mean threshold of the water block. I'll just cover the mean threshold of the water block. If it doesn't work, I'm done for that day. I mean, for that setup. This setup is, I'm not going to take any more setup around that area. Instead of that, I'm going to believe okay, market is just consolidating. Let it consolidate, make it fast its this destination. Then I will go for that buy or sell. Whatever I do, I will do that later, because it doesn't work. It didn't work perfectly. Here this should work. In my experience, I have seen a lot of time it works perfectly. Here it doesn't work. I'm just done. Even if it go higher now, I'm not interested at all. I'm just done with this setup. Hi brother, just joined. Hey Ravi, you were little late. Waiting for what? Waiting for a bearish parabolic up or bullish parabolic up, or let this consolidation go first. It's consolidating, so I will wait for this consolidation go first. So it will go higher. Still, it will take this buy sell liquidity because I have seen this weeks. Though this candle has closed above that, still I believe that market will keep going higher. So I will wait for first breaking this area, this low, that high. Any of this area should be broken first. When any of this low or high will be broken, then market will be outside of the consolidation. Right now market is just consolidating. I If you ask me gun to my head, I will see that market will take this buy sell liquidity. Though I have this sell side liquidity, but gun to my head, market is going to take that buy sell. That's my belief. Do you think it's reasonable behaving earnings after the bell will make a new all-time high again? Market is making all-time high. How many times? Let me show you. One, two, three. Already three times market has made all-time high. Everyone was the all-time high, and market is going to make another all-time high within very short period of time. Around the Nvidia, I believe that market will take this liquidity. I guess so. Okay, I think that market will take this liquidity. If market can take all of this sell side liquidity beforehand, then this is going to be the target for Nvidia. But if market keep going higher now, then around Nvidia market will fall. I mean, if all day market keep going higher, if it stay above here somewhere, then around Nvidia market will fall and it will take this sell side liquidity. And if it has more power, then it will fall much more lower. It will go much more lower. It all will depend on the price action around the whole day. Right now market is sideways, the low and sorry the high and the low inside this price action. So market is going to break this buy side liquidity and going to make another all-time high, but we will see. I rather you not use example like gun to my head. I have kids. Oh, I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry, ABS. I'm extremely sorry, brother. I am sorry. Yeah, it's a violation. Look at this price action. Do you think it's a clean price action? That's why I told that please don't include your real money today in the market. Please don't do that. Because of Nvidia, even around the FOMC, you are not going to see a clean price action. You are not going to see that. I believe so. So yeah, please be make sure that you are doing paper trade today. Because of Nvidia, you are going to see the worst price action today. I believe so. So please. Uh, I know I am late. I was on the school run. Okay, no problem, Ravi. You are always welcome, brother. Whenever you get time, just join me. No problem at all. Maybe a mosquito to the head. Little lol. And you're teaching your kids to trade. Okay. Maybe he is in loudspeaker or not. I guess. They're around playing. Okay. The newbies don't trade FOMC days. Feel bad. Okay. I am not totally agree with you. I told not to trade today. It's because NVIDIA. But FOMC is really a good level to trade. Yeah, today is the FOMC, but without the meeting. So we don't have the meeting around 2:30. Zero trades for me, brother. I remember last NVIDIA earnings. Yeah, KCJF. That's the part I remember as well. The last NVIDIA. That's why I'm also not interested to. I have already tweeted that. Please avoid trading today. I have already tweeted that because last NVIDIA was enough for me to avoid trading in NVIDIA earnings. That's the thing, man. Need headset. Okay, just let it go. I mean, I'm not gonna use those type of voice again. I mean, those type of words again. I should not use them. Guys, let market do something. I guess it's not a great area to trade. You will be agree with me. Be careful. No, I don't give a. I told that I'm not going to use the bad word today, Jackie. Are you agree with me that this is not a good price action? Are you agree with me or not? Now, can you know that it is going to happen by 15 minutes chart? Can you know that beforehand that it is going to happen? By the way, remember that I have 10 handle loss. I will mitigate that loss very soon. Don't worry. Just let the market first decide what it is what it wants to do. Now look at the morning session. If you remember, market has taken the sell side liquidity. Okay, made the buy side liquidity. Here, this is the buy side liquidity. Has taken the sell side liquidity. There is no fair value gap, which can be the last fair value gap for reversing. So there is no boundary for me to go for the buy side liquidity. this this is not the real FOMC. This is only the FOMC. Yeah, I agree with you, brother. As I told you that FOMCs doesn't matter. You can trade FOMC, you can trade CPI, you can trade any type of news. Okay, not news candle after news. You can trade them. It's absolutely perfect, and you have to do that because on the news days you have the volatility. So you have to trade the news days. But as I told you, Nvidia earnings is little different. Okay, so as it is Nvidia earnings day, that's why I told please don't take any trade. Please don't take any trade. And especially this price action, avoid trading. Look over here, what do you see? Just avoid trading. Believe, just believe me, trust your brother that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Trust your brother, but don't push your bottom. But trust me, okay? That market is going to take that buy side liquidity. At the same time, please don't push your bottom. Because if you take a loss, you will blame me. You will tell me that brother, I trusted you, but I take a loss. 99% possibility market will go for that buy side liquidity. I'm keep telling that. Okay, this fair value gap is extremely important for me because I have the only fair value gap, and that is this fair value gap, which is actually the BPR area. I have only this fair value gap. Why is the entry then? Why you are looking for entry, Manu? Be patient, brother. It's not a perfect setup or perfect price action to take entry. If you keep looking for entry, you will blow your account. You will be unprofitable, brother. So first understand what is happening over here. Try to understand this. What is this? Do you think this is a perfect level for trading? It's a good price action for trading. Can't you see this low and sorry that high and that low? Price is inside this price leg and it's just consolidating around that area. So please Don't look for entry here. Instead of that, let price go. Any of this, either this sell side liquidity or that buy side liquidity. Let price go first. Make him sure where it wants to go. So we will catch the next step after the first step. Okay. Simply consolidation. Sideways price action. A lot of people will come, they will ask for the entry and they will blow their account, they will go back, go away. You should not do that. Keep wait, keep wait, keep wait, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. Then finally market will give you a perfect setup after a certain period of time. Just look at this week. See the week, every candle's week from 50-minute chart. Look over here, the week, look the week around that price action, and look the week around this price action. You will understand why it is happening like that way. Because market is just doing consolidation sideways. Okay. Wow, reverse seek and destroy. Ultimate consolidation. Yeah, absolutely. It's the ultimate consolidation. Remember this parabolic gap is important. When market will close above this parabolic gap for the next time. For the next time, price will close above this parabolic gap. Next target will be here. Keep that in your mind, okay? But that doesn't mean you will push your button. Please don't push your button right now. Instead of wait for the wait to see what is going to happen. Brother, there is no sign to enter, brother. Simply there is no sign to enter. You just can't take entry here. You just can't do that. Santosh, afternoon price action will be much more worse. I mean, much more difficult. I believe so because it will be very near to Nvidia earnings. So it is going to be very difficult around the after the lunch hour. I believe so. Let's see if this candle can close above this parabolic gap or not. If it can close above this parabolic gap, this buy side liquidity is the next, and you will see the setup. I don't need to see, but you will see that by yourself. Trust me. Is any day okay to trade? I'm gonna skip your comment, brother. It didn't close above the parabolic gap. First, market has to close above this parabolic gap. Then you will see the entry, everything you will see. I don't need to show them. You will see that by yourself. Trust me. And in this type of situation, I will use the hindsight. Okay, I will use the hindsight only. Some of you are really interested to take entry. I'm not interested to frame any trade over here. Is there any body which has closed above this parabolic gap still now? Look, no. Is that a buy sign? No. Wait, 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 wait. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Okay, now there is a candle which has closed above this parallel gap. This candle has closed above this parallel gap. Now let's see if it can go higher or not. Now is the time to go high, not go for sell, go for high. But you will see the setup. If it wants to go higher, you will see the setup. Don't get diverse, or what to say. I mean, don't take the diversity by this fall. Don't get diversity. A lot of people will take sell here. Lot of people. Why? This high and that high. What a resistance zone? What a zone? Lot of people are taking sell here. Every down close candle they are taking sell. Every down close candle they are taking sell. I want. Do you want to take sell? If you want, you can go for that sell. I'm not interested. I'll hold. I will hold until it give me the buy setup. I will hold. Do you think this is a run? Absolutely not. This consolidation sideways is still the range. Look at the range. I have already give you the range. This low, that high. This is the range. Market is range bound. A lot of you will see this is a sell setup. This is a parallel gap to take sell. Don't go for that, brother. Please don't go for that. That's my request. But if you wanna take sell, yeah, absolutely you can go for that. But you should not train yourself taking entry in this type of situation. Instead of that, you will see the setup, perfect setup, and then react with that setup. Not now. It's not a time to take sell. Sell side liquidity. See, didn't take sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Here, this is the sell side liquidity. It's not taken. Sell side liquidity. It should not be taken. You wanna take sell? Go for that. I'm just not interested. By the way, guys, absolutely price can fall and take this sell side liquidity as well. Absolutely price can do that. So if any of you wants to take sell, you can go for that. Okay, just don't blame me later. That brother, you told us not to take sell, so I didn't take sell. So yeah, please don't uh don't blame me. All I'm seeing is this parabolic cup is broken here. That was a fake breakout. Here, the confirmation of this breakout. So market is now going higher for this buy side liquidity. A perfect time to go higher. I'm looking for that 1 minute CB to invert, then long entry from there. I agree with you, brother. I was just thinking the same way. But exactly, I would use this parabolic gap actually. Not exactly full parabolic gap. I would love to use that parabolic gap because after closing this thing, it has confirmed that this is broken. Market went lower, a real Judas swing. It should keep going higher. Now I need speed now. Without any hesitation, I need the speed. Like this type of speed toward this buy side liquidity. I need that. Again, if any of you, yeah, we have the FOMC today around 2 p.m. but it's just a normal FOMC without meeting. We don't have any meeting around 2:30. If any of you are still looking for sell, please go for that. Okay, I just don't blame me. I'm really afraid of that. 1050 macro incoming. Nobody, please frame any kind of trade right now. Market is consolidating. Don't frame your trade. This is a place where you should go to 5 second chart and trade through your 5 second chart. Very small trade, okay? Very small scalp. Every leg you will get a scalp. Every leg you will get a scalp. From 5 second chart. Just go to your 5 second chart and check it. I really don't want to see this volume balance is broken. I really don't want to see that. This volume imbalance should not be broken. It should respect this volume balance, in my opinion. Even it should not close below the constant encroachment of that volume balance. Yeah, that means body should not close below the constant encroachment of that volume balance. Hmm. If it closes, then what I will do? I will just remove the buy setup from my mind. That's all. If it happens, like if you remember over here, this parabolic respected, I was very much confident to take that buy. Here it's broken, I'm not confident to take another buy setup. So what I will do, I'll just simply remove this and I will wait more. As I told you, it has made this buy, I mean swing high, which is valid for shifting market structure, perfectly valid for shifting market structure, this one. If market respect that volume balance, after shifting this market structure, I would love to go for buy. As it has broken this volume balance, as I don't have any parabolic up over here, so I have only that volume balance. I'm just not interested now to see the market structure shift over here. Okay, this high is valid for shifting market. I'm just not interested. That's all. If any of you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And brother, I'm extremely sorry because I'm unable to frame any trade around this area because it's just consolidating. Still, I told that I would love to see market will take that buy side liquidity, so I'm still looking for buy, not sell. I'm not interested to take sell. All I'm interested to take buy. So yeah, that's the thing. Hmm. At the same time, if you didn't give me the like, don't forget to give me the like. Okay, like is the life of this stream. 160 people are watching, and I got 123 likes. Not bad. Manu, you you actually please don't mind, okay, brother. As I told, please don't involve your real money today. How many times I told that? Now you didn't. You just don't listen to me. What can I do, brother? Today is not for trading, so you don't have patience. You don't have patience, so you can't be a profitable trader from here, brother. You just can't do that. It's nearly impossible. You have to be patient. You have to follow the rules. Why market is doing this? It has a reason, lot of reasons. Just forget about Nvidia. Just forget about that. Look where market is right now, at the all-time high. You don't have any other price action over here. This is the all the price action you have over here. This is that price action. What do you see over here? Just pure consolidation. Why did you force to give you an entry? Why did you do that? Do you have any answer, brother? I just don't know what to say, brother. Today is not a good day for trading. Over trading will blow your account. That's for sure. I'm so sorry for that, brother. I'm extremely sorry, but you have to follow the rules. Without rules, we are not gambler. So if you wanna be profitable, you have to follow some rules. If you take one or two loss, close over there. Just close your chart over there. Today is not for trading. Tomorrow I will back and I will try one more time. Okay. So I don't know what to say. Absolutely instant. Today you should do the demo only. I have already tweeted that. I guys, can you are you with me in my Twitter? Please just give me a follow over there to my Twitter. Just look over here. What did I say? Can you see it? Market will prepare for Nvidia results today. Not a good day for trading. Paper trade only today. Just paper trade. Okay. Look over here. Let me show you guys over there. Look to my Twitter, I mean to my group. I have told that today skip trading. This is out of rules. Don't push your button today. Not even another account. Nvidia earnings is the reason. And a psychological test for you. Is your mind your master or you are the master of your mind? Let's check it. Even in my psychological group, I told them not to push the button. Okay, so what can I say, brother? I mean, this is not a good day to trade. Better let just one day go. Best option is to trade paper. Okay, we don't have any problem to paper trade. We can do paper trading. We are the best of paper trading. Nvidia results is after the closing bell. So I guess around 4:30 to 5. I don't know exactly, but I will be there today with you guys. Okay, if you have the time, then we will be there all together. Brother, can I join your Discord? Winston, look, that's not my Discord. uh, Music Life, another brother of one of my brother, he actually made this Discord group. I'm also what to say, I mean, I'm also a member of this group. Okay, but this group is actually for those who are doing the psychological challenge. So they are doing some psychological challenge. You can see over there. If you wanna join over here, you have to give me the screenshot of your setup to my Twitter for 1 week every single day. Then I will see. If you follow some rules, I will add you to this group. That's all. Okay, so this is all the people that doing the psychological challenge over there. That's all. I mean, nothing else. Okay, no parallel gap. Though I got the market structure shift, but still there is no parallel gap, so I have nothing to do except watching the buy run now or whatever it do. I don't have any opportunity to take the buy. Okay, Winston, I hope that you will you will understand. I have nothing to do except watching how price go higher and take those buys at liquidity. I just have nothing to do. Well, in this type of situation, yeah, I can take buy here to this so and here. Yeah, I can go for that. My entry will be to the top of this parabolic gap, and my stop loss is over here below this candle, and my target is over here, this all-time high. So another 700. So I believe that will work. But yeah, obviously keep that in your mind. Market can come back again one more time to this parabolic gap over here. Exactly to this parabolic gap. Market can come back again one more time to this parabolic gap. Otherwise, it will go and take this buy side liquidity. So if you don't mark this one as a market structure shift, there is your market structure shift, entry parabolic gap, breakaway gap. Any of this parabolic gap can be triggered before going higher and take that buy side liquidity. As I told, market is going for that. So you have to believe me. I'm your brother. I'm not here to just for fun. So let me mark the entry parabolic gap as well. Here, this is the entry parabolic gap. Any of this parabolic gap can be triggered before going higher, or market doesn't need to trade any of this parabolic gap. Okay, either way, it can go higher. This parabolic gap was important, as I explained. It has done its job over here. Now, if it trade any of this, I'm lucky. In that type of situation, I will add more over there. So, oh, it tapped over there. I will add more entry over here. I'll cover this parabolic gap only, and here is my target. I'm lucky because market has traded that entry parabolic gap. If I take two, I will just take a partial here. That will be of my first partial, and well, it came until this last parabolic gap, so I'm going to, no, I'll keep both of them. I never felt so far, feel so far. It's worrying because this buy side liquidity was taken, so I need a border block over here. So building a border block, market has to close above that height. If it can close above that height, then I'll be so much confident about this setup is going to work. I'll be very confident if it can close above that height, because then I will get a border block. Otherwise, it's really difficult for me to hold this trade. Maybe in this type of situation, I'll be stopped out. I'll put my stop loss over here. I just made my stop loss too much lower, so that even if I take a loss, I will take a small loss because of this liquidity run. You see this liquidity run, it went higher, take the liquidity, obvious liquidity over there, then it can fall now. So I am not gonna hold my extreme loss, and I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss as well. So either way, I don't want to take the loss, huge loss. I would love to move my stop loss. So let's see if it can go higher or not, and it should take that by signal. That's my expectation. I don't think so that I should move my stop loss. Should I give it little more space? I don't think so. Let it go. First, market has to close above that high. It's for, sorry, not that high now. This high. It has to close above that high. Yeah, my both stop loss will be here below this low, because I don't want to take risk over there. Instead of that, I will hit my stop loss. I'll let him hit my stop loss, because I have waited too long over here for this setup. When it appeared over there, it should keep going higher, and I need speed now. If it doesn't give me the speed, I will rather get stopped out, because I don't get any confirmation that this consolidation has gone already. I'm just predicting that market has done its consolidation job. So I need the speed now. There is no other option. If it can hit my partial, you remember previously I took two losses. One is 3 handle, one is 7 handle. If it can give me that partial, I am already done to mitigate my loss. So there, okay, it's boom. This is done. I'm already taken a partial. My all loss has been mitigated. Okay, and there you go. I thought that I will outline it as a hindsight. I forgot when I outlined that. To be honest, I forgot that. Was that a clean setup and our well-known setup? This is the breakaway gap. Market didn't close below the constant encroachment of that breakaway gap. This is the entry fair value gap. I told you that I'm going to use this blue line, this two fair value gap, which is the only fair value gap I can see as the important fair value gap. So I will take my entry to this fair value gap for the first time. I will add more when it will be in this entry fair value gap over here. So I will add one more over there. I had the chance to add one more around this order block, but as I have already, so this is what it is. This is that unfilled area. If market come back again and close this one, I will start to look for breaker block. Now, at the beginning I told you that trust me for the first time, and I use that word. ABS actually objection. He gave me the objection because of his kid. Why I was looking for that? This is called confidence, and I get confused when you guys keep pushing me to take sell. To be honest, brother, I get confused, because when you guys keep pushing me, I start to think, okay, maybe something is wrong. Remember this sell side liquidity? Did it take it? No. See this sell side liquidity? Did market take it? No. Same thing, repeat one after another, one after another. Here, one thing was missing, just one thing, and that was this volume balance. It was missing. But still now I was confident with this setup because of this reaction from the constant encroachment to that fair value gap. Constant encroachment reaction. So I thought this will hold the price, and I got the fake breakout over there. This all the fake breakout. After the fake breakout, market went higher, keep going higher, and there is my boom. Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, how many boom I got? Thank you, Sujit, Lenny, Ravi, Shantosh. Boom for me. I was a bit more patient. Yeah, thank you, brother. Teamed, Twister, Jack T, BL, Gaurav, Pascal, Shubhangshu Gupta, Love Gunfire, Golden Jan, Winston Love. Set a stop loss to break even. No, I am not interested to do that because I had no chance actually. After taking the partial, if I wanted to set my stop loss to the break even, I could do that. But before taking the partial, no, there was no way to do that. Ben Cruz, thanks, man. Gupta, perfection. Thank you, brother. Ben Cruz, we got that inversion perfectly. Absolutely, Ben Cruz. But As I told you, Ben Cruz, I am going to look at these two blue line. That is my important zone. But as I told you, I mean, as you told me, this inversion fair value gap, I agree with you absolutely perfectly. But especially, I was curious about these two lines. Thank you, brother. Manu needed that on. I guess so. But we need to be patient first. At least in this type of situation, you have to be patient. Here, I tried two times, got 10 handle stop loss, right? It stopped me out two times. Now, first one was perfect for me. The second one, yeah, I forced the market because of this consolidation. I got chopped up. I'm cool with that. Just 10 handle loss. My first partial gave me 10 handle loss, and then I got 15 handle profit. I'm cool with that. So far, I mitigate my loss with 15 handle profit. Thank you, Jahid. Well done. Thank you, brother. Christian, thank you, brother. Boom. Lenny, why is that important for Abluka, bro? If you are asking for these two line, it is important. The reason is look at all of this price action. Just look all of this price action. Okay. Except these two line, you don't have any other fair value gap. No other fair value gap. You don't have any other fair value gap. So this fair value gap is extremely important. First, this was the fake breakout. This breakout confirm that it is broken. This fair value gap is broken by this confirmation. Then I told that after closing this thing, you will see perfect setup. I don't need to mark them. I won't need to mark them. You will be able to mark them. Let me show you that. Let me clean everything first. Okay. Okay. I marked, I just removed everything and I'm going to put it over there. So when this fake breakout happened, market went lower. Can you see the setup over here? Is that clean? A very nice market structure shift. If you want to mark this one, it is also cool, right? Here. If you just mark this one as your market structure sheet, can you see the displacement over here? Is that clean displacement? Do you see our well-known setup? Breakaway gap, entry favorable gap. Sorry, entry favorable gap. Do I need to show you this, or you are able to show that? I mean, see that by yourself. Do I outline that? Do I need to outline that? Now you can say, but it didn't take this sell side liquidity. So you have to go to the history first. What history has done? What has done? Market take the sell side liquidity? No. What do you expect here? Not going to take that sell side liquidity. You should expect that because history repeats. Is that hindsight? I told that beforehand that it's not going to be taken. Whatever. Was that clear, brother? Now tell me that. Was that clear? And why this fair value gap is important? Do you get your answer? Thank you, MS. Ellie Pretties, thank you. 3 out of 3 with boom today. The school. Akshay Madhuk, boom, thank you. Manu, no account. Man, you have to be patient. You need more patience, brother. GGT2, thank you. Everyone done for the day. I wish you all a very good day. Thank you, brother. Whoever took the profit, don't push your button again. Please don't push your button. I got my profit over here. I'm not pushing my button even if it is the paper money. I'm not pushing my button. I'm just using this one. I'm not pushing my button. See? Because I have done my job over there. I don't need to push my button. So this is called psychological things. If you can work with your psychology, oh man, you are the winner. If you can't do that, you are the loser for forever. By the way, guys, please follow me over here or join me to my Twitter. Trust me, you won't regret. If you are with me in my Twitter, you will get the link, or if Peter or any other moderator can post the link of my Twitter to the comment box, that will be really grateful. Oh, okay, so there is the Stream Elements who has given you the Twitter link. Join me over there through that link. Here is my subscriber. You can subscribe to my channel and you can make it 5800. So I need 12 more people to make it 5800. If any of you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay. So guys, I would love to. I guess I should close my trade right now because it was not bad for today. I mean, so far I guess you have learned something from here. At least when you should look for buy, when you should look for sell. If I saw that market went below this parabolic gap, closed below this parabolic gap, trust me. First, I would say no, market is not going to take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, at least this sell side liquidity is going to be taken first. Then maybe market will go for the buy side liquidity. But if from 15-minute chart, if it closed below this BPR, then market is going for that sell side liquidity. This is the situation. This whole time, this BPR area or the inversion parabolic gap area was holding the price. So I was so much confident. Why I was so confident that market is going to take that buy side liquidity? Do you think it's really a easy job to talk about something again and again, even in this consolidation area? No, it's not that much cool. I'm also afraid to being wrong because in front of all of you people. But still, this is the whole thing. You have to understand the whole situation first, and when you should come into the market, when you will get the confirmation, then you will start to look for a buy. I i told that when this market will close up this parallel gap, you will see the setup by yourself. I don't need to mark them. You will be able to see that. Was that so clean, or was that really so hard to mark? Look at this displacement, everything. Now you will be diverse. You will get divergence because of this down move, because you are thinking market is going for that sell side liquidity. This is the difference. First understand where market is going and why market is going over there. Then, okay. So I hope that T2 boss, can you explain high versus low resistance liquidity run please? Of course I can do that, brother. See this 15-minute chart, it is a bullish. This is a bull candle, that is a bull candle. Now I will be here in dollar index. So last candle was bear candle. Okay, the last candle was bear candle. Here last candle is a bull candle. When market is against dollar index, that means dollar is falling. Dollar is falling, but Nasdaq is also falling. You will see high resistance liquidity run. That means market will go for the liquidity. It can go for the liquidity, but it will be very difficult way. For example, if market was going around that area, if it was taken that buy side liquidity, it would be the high resistance liquidity run. How strongly, I mean, market has to fight to take the liquidity, because dollar index and Nasdaq are going to the same way. But dollar is falling, your liquidity is over here. Buy side, you have the buy side liquidity. Dollar is falling, you will see low resistance liquidity run. Look over here, this is called low resistance liquidity run. Market went lower, gave you market structure shift, parallel gap, boom, low resistance liquidity run, because around that time dollar was falling. Now dollar is going higher. If these guys keep going higher, you will see high resistance liquidity run. But if it started to go low, now I have this sell side liquidity, I'm down for the buy. Okay, I'm really down for the buy. I don't think so that market will keep going higher anymore. This is the time to start to look for sell, in my opinion. Okay, but you should have wait for a 15-minute bearish parabolic gap for a over confirmation. But I think that market has done its upper job for now. Okay, at the same time, don't forget about the Nvidia earnings, as I'm going to close my session. If market would love to fall now and dollar index keep going higher, if it keep going higher and this guy start to fall, this there you will start to see low resistance liquidity run, very clean run. But dollar is falling, this guy is also falling, because you have the sell side liquidity. It will be very strong run. Okay, market will go lower, take the buy side liquidity, then again go lower, take the buy side liquidity. It will do this type of thing, but finally market will take the sell side liquidity. That is called high resistance liquidity run. Okay, Madhuk, Winston, good job, Tito. Thank you. Winston, market delivered on macro. Yeah, that was the macro time as well. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. I didn't trade NQ today because of choppy, but GC trades were really amazing. Okay, I was here, so I don't know what happened over there. To watch ICT concept indicator in trading view by Luxelgo. Okay, why should I do that? I mean, why I should look for an indicator? I'm using only one indicator. You can see this is the 8:30 open indicator actually. So it's showing me that midnight, but it's not midnight. It's actually just for 8:30 open. See this 8:30 open candle? I mean, sorry, line. You'll see that here. 8:30 open line here. 8:30 open line. I'm just using that indicator just for 8:30 open. Okay. I don't use any other indicator, and I don't like to use indicator. I'm not good with indicator. This what was the entry after all? I have already shown you the entry. Okay, I have already shown you the entry, man. There's no entry if you can't see the entry, brother. If you are not patient enough, you will never see the entry. That's the thing. I mean, I told you, all of you guys, stay still over here. Don't push a button. You will get your setup, and that setup will be much more cleaner, very clean setup, and it will provide you a perfect thing. Now, if you don't get it, for example, market didn't go higher, instead of that, market fall. What do? You will do nothing. You just will do nothing. This should be the trading. Okay. I mean, the market is making the bull flag. I believe that market will do this type of things. It will go higher, fall, this type of thing. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. If I were here, I could look for that, but yeah. Maybe he wants you to see it, to have your opinion on it. What is that, brother? I mean, I have already explained the setup over here. This is the setup I have already explained 2 to 3 times. I keep talking. I talk too much. So I have already explained the setup 2 to 3 times. Already have explained them. Uh, this is not a signal stream. It's about learning. Thank you, Peter. But he has just blown his account. So give him some, softness. Yeah. What is significance of 8:30? I'm still working on 8:30. I'm just working on that. Okay. Step has a feature that allows you to manual lock your account until midnight. I also have software to lock my MT4 real account. I recommend this to anyone with a trading addiction. That's a good idea, Twister. I mean, guys, uh, if you can do that, who has the problem of over trading, they can use this. As Twister told, Step has a feature that allows you to manual lock your account until midnight. Okay, and he has a software lock his MT4 real account. He has a software, I guess. So yeah, guys, you can use that lock if you are doing overtrade. Maybe he wants you to see it, have your opinion on it, the indicator. Okay, what was the indicator? ICT concept indicator in trading view. ICT concept indicator. ICT concept. I guess this one. What was that? What was that? Hmm. Luxelgo. I guess this one. Why it's not coming? Okay, I guess it came already. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one is not obviously the order block, that's for sure. What is this? This is called market structure shift over there. I think I have to fix something over there. Like MSS bullish bearish break of a structure for the displacement physical volume balance order block swing lock back. I mean, I'm really so lazy people. I really don't like this of this type of work. But let me check. What is that? Uh, I am extremely sorry, brother. I don't know what to say, but I don't think so. It will be accurate. Okay, I really don't know. This order block is absolutely not a order block according to my rules, and I don't see this as a order block. So over here, I guess this is called liquidity taken. It has taken the liquidity or something like that. I guess I am not agree with that as well. Then here, I guess this is a parallel gap or something. Why it is marked over there? Okay, I guess this is the liquidity actually, not the thing. Yeah, this is the liquidity, I guess. Now, in the same way, I am not agree with this liquidity as well. Parallel gap is okay, but still the market structure shift over here is cool. After shifting the market structure, I will look the parallel gap over here, not here. So I don't know what to say, brother. I really don't know. Okay, but really I don't depend on indicator. Instead of that, I am okay with myself. Okay, so what to say about this? I don't want to tell that this is wrong. I don't want to tell that it's right. That's all. Either way, I don't know what to say. If it helps you, use them. If you don't, if it doesn't help, then yeah, please leave it. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll rewatch the video. Thank you. No problem, Manu. Twister free software. Okay, cold turkey blocker. Yeah, guys, cold turkey blocker. If anyone is interested, you can use that that free software. Okay, I find it inaccurate. What did you find inaccurate? Learn about PDRs and structures instead of relying on indicator. I guess Didi, you are not telling me this because I don't use indicator. I think that you are not telling me this. I was just checking that on because someone just asked for that. That's why. Okay. Okay. The structures, base, and patterns. The breakers will notify sometimes are not breaker. The too literal. Okay. Okay, just let it go. I mean, can you please mention the part about high or low resistance liquid run? Liquid, I think what you explained was that DXY should be opposite of NQ, but in addition to that, in Nasdaq leg should be going for some liquidity. Absolutely that. First, Nasdaq should go for the liquidity. Nasdaq has to go for the liquidity. If you have the buy side liquidity, now Nasdaq is going for the buy side liquidity. At the same time, dollar index has to fall. Then you will see low resistance liquidity run. Low resistance because dollar is falling. So you are getting low resistance. What do you get? Low resistance. For what? Liquidity. So it's called low resistance liquidity run. Market is going for liquidity, but in with low resistance because dollar is falling. Now market is going for sell side liquidity. So it is liquidity run. Is it high resistance or low resistance? It will depend on dollar index. If dollar index is going high, then you will see low resistance liquidity run. That's all, brother. Okay. Uh, Thank you. So yeah, that's all. I guess it's not a difficult part to understand. Market, see, market is making the bull plug. I am really not interested to hold for half an hour more for this consolidation of sideways. I really don't like it to stay over here, but in my opinion, it's done. It's higher run, so market should fall now. It's my opinion, and I'm just going to close my session with 5789 subscriber. I will be here at the PM session. I have to come here because of Nvidia. I believe that I will be here around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. I will tweet that beforehand to my Twitter. If any of you are interested to join me around the PM session, you are welcome. Otherwise, you can skip me. Okay. So if anybody didn't give me the likes, don't forget to give me the like. And if you didn't subscribe yet, do the subscription right now. Okay, Manu, please. There is a playlist. Yeah, Manu, you can check that playlist. Okay, brother. When will you see high resistance liquidity run? When dollar index and Nasdaq are going at the same way. Nasdaq is going for sell side liquidity. Dollar is also falling. You will see high resistance liquidity run. That means dollar index and Nasdaq are at the same way. So you will see the same way run. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Peter. Thanks, bro. See you. Yeah, see you, Peter. Like before you leave. Yeah, please like before you leave. And I hope it was an insightful streaming. If you really like it, don't forget to give me a like. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So thank you, guys, for being with me. I will be here around the PM session. I guess around 2 p.m. Until then, cheers.